Hey y'all, this is Vanity. So I'm back with a new style, and this is going to be a hair review. Okay, so I've reviewed for this company before, and their name is Siyo Virgin Hair. The video I've done for them was a curly hair, and at the time it was my top curly hair that I have received from an AliExpress vendor. Okay, that video is, I think, my most viewed AliExpress video, and everybody just went crazy over the curl pattern. There were some mixed reviews because some people felt like their curly hair didn't look like mine, but as I always tell y'all, it really depends upon your curly hair routine. I do have a video where I am doing my curly hair routine, but I will have a new video coming up with my curly hair routine. Okay, so if you want to see that, I'll have that linked in the bottom bar as soon as it's available, or you can watch my old one. Okay, so if you want to get your curls to look like mine, I just suggest that you watch that video because there's no other way that I can explain it. All right, so yeah, let's get into the specs. I have in there Malaysian deep wave, and even though this is deep wave, it definitely looks like curly. It is very, very pretty, and as you can see, it is like luscious. The curls are very defined. I have in two bundles, a 24, a 22, and I have a matching frontal in 20 inches. Okay, so I am still on a journey trying to figure out how to just perfect those frontals. So of course I'm gonna have some ups and downs, and I feel like, you know, I'm getting there. I'm learning the ropes and, you know, how to make it perfect for myself. Today I did want to do something a little different because I'm starting to get bored with the same looks. So I did opt to do like a side part, and then I went in and I laid the sides down with the new trend that's going on, and that's just crisscrossing your bobby pins, and I think that looks really cute. I think it came out pretty good. Okay, the lace on the frontal is on the thin side, and it is like a very nice medium brown, so it melted right into my skin. It looks like scalp. Honestly, I didn't really need to add any powder. I did, however, go in and add a little bit of powder rather than bleaching the knot. So a lot of plucking is not required. I feel like that will make this a little bit more prone to bald spots or ripping the lace. So this side I decided to leave out so that you could get the, like, you know, full look of how beautiful this curly hair is. Okay, I'm gonna stand up so you can see. It is not that long. Again, I have in two 24s and one 22 and a 20-inch frontal. So it basically just comes right here to like mid boob, almost the bottom of my boob. As far as products, I haven't been using anything in the hair. This is the hair in its natural state. I have no product left in the hair, but when I do wash it, I use Tresemme products. So I use a Tresemme shampoo as well as conditioner. So those are products that I would suggest. The hair is very, very soft, so you don't need to add a lot of product to it, but if you did want to add a little crunch to it, I would definitely suggest you putting in some type of mousse, or as I always say, I love the Carol's Daughter Percaxi Nectar. I can't remember the full name, but I will have a link down in the bottom bar. That is like my favorite leave-in conditioner that I use on all of my curly hair that I feel is a little bit too much on the soft side. As far as shedding, the shedding is very, very minimal, and the tangling, I get some at the back of my nape. I get that with almost every single curly hair that I get. Like, it is like the inevitable, especially because I sew my tracks very, very close together. Lastly, the hair is very, very soft, so I would recommend that by the end of the day that you go in and you just wet it down with some hot water, brush through it, and do your curly hair routine at night. You don't have to co-wash it each night, but I do recommend that you wet it down with hot water and let it sit overnight and air dry. That way it is ready for you in the morning. Okay, because like I said, the hair is more on the soft side, so when the hair is a little bit more soft, it does tend to tangle quicker or get a little bit of frizz. So yeah, right now it is defined, but as you can see right here, there is just a little bit of frizz. But as far as how I like the hair and my rating, I would definitely rate the frontal as well as the hair a 9. I think it is very, very pretty hair. I haven't had any major issues with this hair as of yet, but I will definitely keep y'all updated. I think it is very unique. I absolutely love this style. It's very low maintenance. I don't have to deal with too much. Of course, with curly hair, I don't run my fingers through the hair, so this is not hair that I'm just gonna be like, you know. You can flat iron this hair, but because it was processed to get this curl pattern, I wouldn't recommend it, because I don't think that the curl pattern will come back and be exactly the way it was before you flat ironed it, okay? But that is it for this video. I will have the links to Siyo Virgin hair down in the bottom bar. Let me know if y'all have any extra questions, if y'all want to see any more videos on this hair, and I will definitely do that. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you to my next video. Bye, y'all.